This is the Hyderabad golf course. All the sewage from these neighborhoods is actually treated by SBT and used at the golf course, which was originally a dumping yard. This is the municipal raw sewage flowing into the golf course area. This is what is treated using the SBT plant and eventually used for watering the grass all across the golf course. This is the first barrier for the solid objects in the municipal sewage, which is blocked by this grill. Today the plant is shut down for maintenance. So if you open the caps on the two pipes, the second stage with more bar screens filtering the solid objects can be seen here. So this is reactor 1, where the raw sewage is pumped onto this bed. This entire area has even on this, there is not much of a sewage smell, which was obvious near the place where the municipal sewage was entering. This is the tank for the treated water after the first output from the first reactor. There is actually tortoise surviving even after the first level of treatment. This is pumped to reactor 2 in order to get rid of the second stage impurities, where oxygenation, dissolved oxygen, etc. plays a very important part. So this is the reactor 2. Lots of green plants are thriving. The first stage took care of suspended solids, grease and adjusting the pH. After that, in the second stage, we are taking care of second stage the reactor.
Increase of dissolved oxygen content,
okay,
reduction of COD, chemical oxygen demand,
okay,
and biological oxygen demand.
Okay. With more dissolved oxygen, they are taking care of COD, BOD levels to the required levels.
नहीं सर, ये तो बड़ा है, वो जो फ्लैग दिख रहा है व्हाइट कलर का, हाँ, हाँ, वही, एक आदमी जा रहा है, वही, उधर छोटा लेक, तो बड़ा लेक में तो अभी नेचुरल सीवर आता है, कहाँ ये नाले से जाता है, ओवरफ्लो हो जाएगा, ओवरफ्लो होके ये जाता है.
So the treated water is normally collected in this tank.
बारिश में normally
it's under maintenance, so that's why you don't see any water today.
Friday, आज जैसे Friday, आज पूरा ओवरफ्लो गया है.
The inlets are closed. From here, the gravity flow travels to many other places around the golf course.
Is marketing that and they are using it for a completely different purpose, for dehydration of the sludge.
So the geomembrane, which is used, this sheet is covered with cement, and this tank is not necessarily, this doesn't have the concrete structure that you would normally find in a water tank. The geomembrane apparently is used in infrastructure for building bridges, etc., where seepage has to be prevented. So this is being used, and you do recommend this sort of a thing in case we want to cut down the storage costs of water.
नाम पूर्णचंद्र है और मैं यहाँ का टेक्निकल सुपरवाइजर है और मैं कम से कम 8 साल से यहाँ पर सर्विस कर रहा हूँ. ये SBT टेक्नोलॉजी में, ये बॉम्बे IIT का टेक्नोलॉजी है और ये टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत ही अच्छा टेक्नोलॉजी है मेरे हिसाब से. और यहाँ पर जो भी स्लज के बारे में आप कह रहे हैं, ये स्लज लगभग कन्वेंशनल जो प्लांट होता है उसमें लगभग 40 से 50 ट्रक पर ईयर निकलता है. मगर हमारा जो ये सॉइल वाइट टेक्नोलॉजी SBT है, इसमें अभी तक ये 3 साल से ये प्लांट रन हो रहा है, अभी तक यहाँ पर एक ट्रैक्टर मीन्स 2-4 क्यूबिक मीटर भी नहीं निकला हुआ है।
जो भी स्लज यहाँ होता प्रोड्यूस